So today we'll talk two things. One is Nifty bottoming out, and I think so at 22,000 it has already bottomed out. There is nothing more left in terms of the bad news which can come. All the bad news is out. If you look at this daily chart, 5th of March was the time when it hit 22,000, okay, and then it went up to 23,900, and then it came back now below 22,000 today. So I don't think there is much room for it to fall. All the bad news is out. The high taxes in India and the tariffs in the US and all kinds of crazy news is out. Again, also look at the RSI. RSI, this red area was when Nifty was at 22,000. This was beginning of March. We are at beginning of first week of April. End of March, you were at RSI above 70, green area. Nifty was 23,900. After that, Nifty has started to fall. Right now, the RSI is 33. So there is no point in selling in panic. Yes, Nifty fell down by 3% today, but it is nothing. Um, I don't think if you will sell now and wait for 21,000, it makes any sense. If you're a long-term investor, you should not sell at this point. That is number one. Number two, also, I think the intraday strength. So if you look at the 5-minute chart, which tells you how strong the Nifty was during the day, also tells us that after 1 p.m., the situation changed a lot. See, if in the morning, this is a 5-minute chart. So on 7th of April, which is today, it opened at 21,800 and it remained in a range 400 points. After 1 p.m., you see that it moved from 21,800, it kept on going up to 22,160. So it was a very consistent uptrend after that. Okay, so tomorrow morning, I don't expect that Nifty will fall. There is one very interesting thing which I want to talk about, which is on Aarti Pharma. This is one of the stocks which I owned and I have been trading in that stock. So a lot of people do intraday trading. I don't suggest that. But a lot of swing trading opportunities are there because for good stocks, the volatility is very high. For bad stocks, obviously, it is very, very high. In general, the market volatility is very high. I'll give you one example with the Aarti Pharma. Just look at this chart from August to April. So about 6 months. It keeps going down to this level of 550. How many times? 12th of August, 550. 16th of December, 555. 27th of January, 570. And on the top side, it keeps going to 700 or above. So imagine somebody who bought the stock at 600 and has been able to sell at 800. He's already made 33% return, which is huge. Just look at how it worked today. It went down to 585. Somebody who had the guts and already knew that, okay, I want to buy the stock below 600. He got the stock in the first 5 minutes and then the stock moved to 5 to 652, so which is about 10%. The point which I'm trying to make is there is so much volatility in the market. This stock goes from 600 in 4 to 5 weeks, it comes down again, then goes up, comes down, goes up. So you can essentially benefit from this kind of swing trading volatile environment. And I don't think this is the market for buy and hold. Buy and hold works when overall market is good, but the volatility is so high. Just look at this chart for last 6 months. It goes up and down and up and down and up and down. And if you're not making money in this, I don't know what you're doing. Right now, at 652, I would not suggest to buy it. What you do is you put an order for 600 and then you wait for a RSI or some technical indicator to sell the stock. So that is how you make money. Okay, guys. So this is just one very important thing which I wanted to share, which is that the volatility across weeks and months is very high. The stock goes up 20%, down 20%, up, down, up, down. So you can make money even in your favorite stocks. So this is about the this intermediate trading. But in general, I would suggest that you should only invest in mutual funds. if you want to live a peaceful life, if you are doing individual stuff,